Streamer University changed my life. 30 days ago, Streamer University changed my life. I posted this video and it did over 1,000 views. Over 1,000 views. And I've never posted anything that's got 1,000 views long form. And was it my best video? Technically, performing wise, yeah. My best, retention? Absolutely not. This shit dropped. But I got 3 new subscribers. I got 26 watch hours, basically 27. And this was my best performing video. I got over 1,000 views. I normally get like 100 views, if that. I have videos with 30 views on it. And I said 30 days ago, I'm going to do a small streamer challenge. I'm going to do a small streamer challenge based on everything I learned from Ludwig. That's what I said I was going to do. I said I was going to follow his advice and do my very best. And I'm here to tell you the numbers. I created a TikTok series that I said, can you blow up as a small streamer in only 30 days? And in those 30 days, let's talk about what I've accomplished. And it may not seem like a lot to you guys, but to me, everything counts. I set up some goals. The first goals I set, actually, we'll talk about it. You can even see it. So I wrote them down during Ludwig's homework assignment. I said in 3 months, I want to have 1,500 TikTok subscribers. And in YouTube, I want to have 150. And then on Twitch, I want to have 200. And on Instagram, I want to have 50. And those were my 3-month goals. We have 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. I did it quarterly, but I did come up with those goals. And I did set out to achieve them. And so in the first 30 days, what have I accomplished? So we can start with TikTok. This is just the only TikTok I'm logged into on my computer, but I've actually garnered over 1 million views between my 2 main profiles. I have a couple other profiles, but the 2 I'm counting, my Control Alex Elite with 2 X's and Control Alex Elite with just 1 X that I almost shit post on. I've gotten over 1 million wnba views, which has led me to create actually a YouTube channel. And I've decided this is where I was going to post it. I have 10 subscribers. I posted 20 shorts. I haven't posted anything crazy, but I've also gotten, 1,000 views, a couple thousand views, nothing crazy. But when I post these videos to TikTok, I'm getting 500 and something thousand views. We see this, right? Like 600K views here. Let me pull up my other phone real quick. I can show you guys the view of my phone. And I've stopped posting on this account as much, just because it's a lot to keep up with for me. That's one thing I did learn. I've posted every single day, probably 20 times a day. And the main thing that I learned was that is really hard. That's really hard. I posted 5 to 10 times on this Control Alex Delete account. And then I posted some of those videos and onto YouTube and Instagram. And so it comes out to about 20 times a day. I've gotten 1 million views. 1 million views. So combined, just on TikTok alone, between my 2 pages, I've got 1 million views in 30 days. And then when we include my YouTube analytics, that's 24,000 views in the last 30 days. 24,000 views. That's a lot of views for somebody with no followers. That's not a bad start. So I garnered over 1 million views in the last 30 days. If we extend that out to 60 days, I've actually gotten 2 million for my short form. But now you're like, Alex, what else did you accomplish? Views are cool, but fuck, how many subscribers did you get up? I went up 20 subscribers on YouTube. That's huge. I posted for a full year without getting any fucking subscribers. I had 11 off of my gaming videos. And then on TikTok, I started going TikTok live, and on this account, I actually lost some on the other account. I'll just show you guys on my phone. On this account, I picked up, is it going to show me my followers? I picked up 84 followers this week. I picked up 340 followers on TikTok in the last 30 days. And for some people, that's not a lot. But for me, that's a lot. I'm getting about 100 followers a week. I think that's really good. And now you might go, well, what is your goal? What are you trying to accomplish? I have a full-time job. I like my full-time job. I'm pretty good at sales. What I really would like to do is be able to post my content and make enough money to subsidize my content. I make really cool basketball videos. I make really cool, in my opinion, gaming videos. It's fun for me. I just want to make enough money to offset that. And I made a whole video talking about how you could be full-time with 50 subs on Twitch. And that's true. You could be, 50 average viewers on Twitch. And that's true. For me, I couldn't be full-time at that. I need health insurance. But for some people, that is a real reality. And that's why I made that. I kind of just want to help people out and talk about basketball and hang out with my friends. So, for example, we have just this video. This is 12,000 views. Oh, fuck, I gotta pause this. The Dallas Wings are calling me. Dallas Wings. Hello?
Hi, Alex. This is Tia giving you a call with the Dallas Wings. How are you?
Sorry, guys. I had to take the call from Dallas Wings. As you guys know, I make WNBA content on my other channel, Control Alex Basketball. On this channel, it's focused on my streaming content, but it just merged. So there's that. But in the first 30 days, I've accomplished what I feel like is a lot. I have a full-time job. I work a 9 to 5. This is never probably going to be my whole job. I'm really, really good at sales, but I like creating content. I've been a Twitch streamer for several years. I hit affiliate in 3 weeks. I just want to make enough money to offset the amount that goes into content. That being said, if you guys have liked my basketball analytics, or you like my gaming videos, or you like my deep dives and how to get better at being a streamer or a content creator, go ahead and drop me a follow. Go ahead and get a subscribe. That's really just my goal, just to get enough subscribers and watch hours. I want to provide more content for you guys. I want to be a help out. And if you guys have seen my videos and there's something you do want to know and you don't know where to find it, go ahead and give me a comment and I'll go look it up. I do this all the time actually on my TikTok. People ask me to go look up a data analytics and I go do that. So if there's something you want to know about creating content and you haven't found the answer, or you just don't want to have to sift through all the videos, let me know, because I don't mind doing that. That's something I like doing. That's where we got my PowerPoints. I dropped one yesterday, by the way, in case you guys wanted to go check it out. I calculated the full-time views that you guys needed to be a subscriber. Basically, this 30-day challenge has really just taught me that I think anyone can be a top 100,000 streamer. I got to 454, top 500K streaming one day a week on Twitch recently. I used to be ranked higher. I used to stream all the time and I stopped because life started lifing. But it's still important to me. It's still something I want to spend my time doing. That being said, if you guys want to hang out and grow together and learn stuff, and if you need to know something but you don't have time to look it up, drop it in my comments. I'm happy to go do a deep dive and see what I can come up with. It may not be the best answer, it may not be the perfect answer, but I'm happy to go do the work. I do this all the time on my basketball channel. I go in deep dives, I go and count analytics. I do all sorts of stuff. So if you're into basketball, if you're into concerts, if you're just into streaming and you want to get better at streaming, me too, dude. Drop me a follow. And this is like the longest whatever the fuck. But I'm just saying we can go do this together. We can all blow up. You only need 50 average viewers to do that.